Okay, now we're going to take a look at Polygon MATIC, and we are in our community. We are thinking that this actually has a better chance of having bottomed more than Litecoin does, because its rally was almost 5x or something crazy. Yeah, it was 4x. 300% is 4x because 100% is double, right? It looks like it might double bottom, but yeah, it looks like it's bottomed. To me, or it's among the best candidates in all of crypto having bottomed. Among the best. Litecoin is kind of in the middle tier of good candidates, but might be the best candidate. Time Chronos Tech or Time Chronos Tech. That actually has an even bigger probability of having bottomed on there. Okay. Well, I mean, very simply, use this projector tool. You know, eyeball a 45-degree angle, connect it to support, boom. Now, zoom in. Yeah, that's a little steeper than 45. Something like that. Now, zoom in and look left so you can connect a horizontal to this and kind of get an idea of what would suck price up. This is I actually can't tell what it's going to do. There are multiple options, and you don't really need to guess, but let me show you why here in a second. But if I had to make a guess now, I would choose no guess. I can't tell if it wants to come here or if it wants to break down, because the reason why 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times on that line, I don't like that. But next month's backfill to 17.2, it could lead it up into here. So this would happen around January 4th to the 12th. I think this one right here. I was looking for the best wick. It might be that one. Look left, because it aligns with this one too. It aligns with all this. And it would be perfectly situated to take out all the stops and liquidations hiding above these local highs, swipe up, and then take them, or no, take them all out, and then and attract buyers and longers, and then take all of them out. So take out all the shorters, attract buyers, then take them all out. It's honestly a perfect setup, and because I know that smart money is trading this, it kind of makes the guess easier. Let me zoom in to get this more precise for you. I didn't draw that. And again, for any new viewers, like, this is one of the most valuable tools. Ooh, that's January 16th. I don't know if that's gonna. All right, well, I'll mark these lines. I can't tell how it's gonna move. I just know the areas of interest. So to the upside and downside. So here's how I would do this. I need to first identify that I don't have an edge on a guess right now. And I swear to you, that is among the most valuable lessons and just ideas to accept and to have an aha moment on. Identify when you don't have a trade or you don't have an edge. That means if you're trading, you're gambling. Time, you will lose money. Because the odds are worse than a casino if you don't have an edge. Okay, that's upside. To the downside, very simple. I don't think I would try to trade a breakdown of this unless the US 500 went below our major blue box, which it's way above it. So if US 500 pulls down crypto, this is going to come here, maybe as low as there, but it's going to retest that line. So I personally would wait for the juiciness here. Retest of this line. So I don't care if it goes down. I know that unless US 500 from our analysis on there goes, if it doesn't go below the blue box, it's gonna form lower highs and lower highs, or lower lows, highs. And the lower high move up. If during its on its higher low on the US 500 before a lower high, on its higher low, on its rally up to do a lower high, it would go and then rally up to lower high, come back. So downside, that's what it would look like. Upside, I wouldn't try longing up to there. Rather, I personally would look for two areas to short. I don't think I would try to trade up to that. I think that's stupid right now. And I'm telling my whole community. Day after here, I'll just show you. You can see what I'm saying. And this is not the first time I've said it on the daily updates. Before I gave it more. Oh, it's got the wrong thumbnail. It should say daily updates. Here I uploaded it on my other computer, so I didn't have it. So I just this thumbnail. All right, here we go. And let's go back to MATIC now. So on MATIC, even this chart is agreeing with what I already reminded my community for like the third time. It's probably not wise to do any long positions unless you trade the 5-minute chart or lower. That's what this says too. And this is an altcoin leader. It says don't try that. Either play, you're looking for shorts. Not financial advice. That's what this chart is saying to me. Whether or not it says that to you, that's up to you. That's what we got. Oh, and if you want this, so this is a let's see here. What is this? This is July. This isn't a macro channel, but this is a week. This is a mid macro channel, midterm time frame channel. I mean, this is hundreds of days old. It looks like 165 days. So it'll be a big move. And once it gets below here, it's gonna go straight to here. It won't stop there. Could it get a small bounce? Sure, it absolutely could. But I wouldn't trade up on that. Would I try to counter trend trade on this? Sure, if I see it happening, yeah. Would I try to counter trend trade that with selling my house and going all in? Hell no, I wouldn't. I would just do it to stay in the game and maybe trade a counter trend trade. And I would treat it as a counter trend trade. So which means you don't hit it hard. And that would be once it falls off, if it falls off in mid-January. There you go. There. Once it falls, that's where it's going. But it might not fall first. It might go up first. And whew, with a small hesitation right there. There you go. That is Polygon MATIC.